Yonke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-agent laDuba bafethu uMike Makhaba uconfirmile ukuthi uDuba befunwa i-team yase-Middle East, but i-deal azange ihlangane between leyo team leyo ne-Kaizer Chiefs. We don't know ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngempela, akafunanga ukungena to details cause ama-deal kuba inkinga, baphinde uthole ukuthi i-team isasekhona isazobuya futhi maybe ngoJanuwari or maybe ngomunye unyaka cause uDuba this season akakathi sekadlala amagame ayi-8 out of amagame awu-16 akakabi highly influential for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and laphana phambili kunzima kakhulu ukuthi akhompithe because udlala nezinye i-striker ezi-good bafethu oSilvo, iGadaro, Mayo, nangu-Duprez ukhona, nabanye abafuna ukunikwa ama-opportunities. Beyi-right i-Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, let's take i-guess. Sithi mhlawumbe i-Kaizer Chiefs they wanted bit of more money, or sithi banama-plan for uDuba. Asigeseni lapho bafethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-right na or i-right ukugcina uDuba. Niyayibona na nina bafethu i-future kaDuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi angaba highly influential. Ku-right for yena ukuthi ahlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba e-Saudi Arabia bafethu kula kudlala khona unkotha, kunemali eserious ngempela. So if ukwazile ukuthola leya contract leya, beyizo-change everything about yena bafethu, beyizo-change impilo yakhe. So it's a deal. Obviously-ke maybe naye he will look back acabange naye ukuthi maybe ezotshintsha impilo yakhe kanjani, but-ke nje umbuzo wami ula ukuthi beyi-right i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi umgcine noma naye azange aphushe enough for i-move ukuthi ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs. Isasekhona i-future yakhe naku Kaizer Chiefs. Ngizobamba lapho, but-ke uMike Makhaba akafunanga ukungena deep kule move le kaDuba, and then there was a time la uDuba kubonakala ngathi uthi bye bye to ama-Kaizer Chiefs fans, kusho ukuthi bekunama-negotiations. Niyakhumbula poster laphana ku-Instagram, I think you can still Google it and see ukuthi uDuba uke washaya nge-hint ukuthi uyayishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. But yeah, I don't know man, I don't see him that influential this season. Siyazi ukuthi under coach Nabi he was very influential, kula dlale khona amagame amaningi, wa-contribute nama-goals nama-assist, but this season akayitholi leyo opportunity ukuthi adlale. Story-ke saDuba ne-Kaizer Chiefs asazi ukuthi maybe January kwazibani ukuthi maybe angahamba, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs bayamthanda because I remember lapha ne-Springs ngibabona ahamba ne-Kaizer Chiefs bawuvula la i-multi-purpose ama-ground okhona. Bamhlonipha kakhulu u-Kaizer Chiefs noma bayam-celebrate ukuthi wakwazi ukukora against iMamelodi Sundowns. Wayithatha i-Kaizer Chiefs wayisiza ukuthi iwine i-Nedbank Cup noma iye ku-final. So on his day iplay eli-right elikwazi ucontributor for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but is he enough for this season? Can he be the man okwazi ukulida lapha eKaizer Chiefs? Siyamazi ukuthi sasemncane, and uke wakhuluma ukuthi yena ucabanga ukuthi wenze enough ukuthi angaba i-number 1 striker se-Kaizer Chiefs. Is that the case, or laba bakhona bangcono kunaye lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs? And ngifuna ukungena lana bafethu i-history Kaizer Chiefs. Bhekani uShabalala since ku-Kaizer Chiefs afike emncane, nangeceleni kwakho uHlongwane bafethu, and then nangu uManqoba ushaya u-number 10 kudala, ushayeke lo number 10. Ibhola libuhlungu, uyabona uma ubona iy'thombe ezinje, because of uyabona from lama moments la ukuthi abafana bakhulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and it's not like bonke bazothola i-opportunity ukuthi badlale laphana ku-senior team. I mean bheka uShabalala wenze ibukwayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, basheshe bampromotha sekaneminyaka bampromotile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, whereas abanye abakatholi ama-opportunities wokuthi bapromothwe to i-first team. uHlongwane kupromothiwa nje manje yena, but akakatholi i-opportunity ukuthi adlale and then azibonakalise kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi angakwazi ukuyilwela ayimele. But-ke patience, isikhathi sakhe maybe naye esizofika. If isizofika, if asifiki asifiki, awuzobona naye ukuthi uzomisa kanjani. uManqoba for some time manje kuthiwa uManqoba uza ku-first team. I think une-contract yaku-first team because ngike ngambona abamba iskipa sakhe laphana no-coach Nabi. I'm not sure if unayo i-first team contract, but kuma-friendly games lawa bawadlala during the week, unokuba khona adlale naye contribute la contributor khona, but-ke akakabi ready. According to Kaizer Chiefs obviously akakabi ready ukuthi abe ku-senior team. Into engimangazayo ngoManqoba ukuthi u-Atazwana uyamazi bekamfuna laphana kumaZulu, but i-Kaizer Chiefs azange im-allow ukuthi umfana ahambe. Future ye-Kaizer Chiefs or kanjani? Njengoba bengishilo ibhola libuhlungu bafethu, kuzopromothiwa abanye bangapromothiwe, into le beyishiwo uNdamane. I-play of the moment-ke, man of the moment lana namhlanje bafethu uMduduzi Shabalala uphosta uThembi Nkosi Lorch after i-disappointment yabo ukuthi bangaselekthwa laphana ku-national team iBafana Bafana ukuthi ba-represent iBafana Bafana against iZambia. Obviously-ke kune-buzz serious around uShabalala bafowethu uperforme kahle kakhulu. It's disappointing ukuthi akaselekthwe. Ngiyazi noThembi Nkosi Lorch naye udlala kahle kakhulu, kubonakala ngathi and uHugo Broos uze washo ukuthi uThembi Nkosi Lorch akana-future kuBafana Bafana. I think there's something bigger than football, but yeah, sazi ukuthi uLorch because ubehave kanjani or wenzani laphana kuBafana Bafana. But yeah, I think uvila ulona man uShabalala kumele lento le ningamdistract. Sengibona i-message lana kuma-comment kuthiwa lento ingamdistract. Siyafocus nje ku-Kaizer Chiefs and i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-fans azombonisa i-support, aqhubeke adlale kahle. Ingam-discourage lento le imphula inhliziyo ukuthi abamselekthanga ngo-national team. Siyazi ukuthi beza nama-excuse bathi bafuna ukutry abantu abasha. I mean, come on bafowethu. uShabalala bekangakadlali kakhulu laphana kuBafana Bafana, to be fair. So it makes sense ukuthi kulama game lawo bambone kahle ukuthi angakwazi ukuba one of the starters kuBafana Bafana in the near future. Hayi ukuthi lento ayishilo uHugo Broos, chaza nje into engekho. Disappointment yaThembi Nkosi Lorch, but it's part of the game, man. Umuntu mengakufuni akakufuni noma ungenzani noma ungaba one of the biggest stars on the continent, mengakufuni akakufuni. Sazi uHugo Broos ukuthi ucabanga kanjani, but-ke uyakwazi ukuthola ama-results. Somgxeka simgxeke sithini ngempela because uyawathola ama-results, but i-fairness ayikho laphana in terms of i-selection. I-fairness ne-transparency ukuthi abanye badala they are not for the future, but maybe uzwa ngoThemba Zwane uthi maybe uThemba Zwane bazombheka next year uThemba Zwane una-37, but still he's still considered for iBafana Bafana. But abanye ababhekwa nokubhekwa bafowethu. Naba abafana abawu-2 abafana baku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-development bafowethu. Umdaka udlala laphana ku-Stellenbosch manje umfana, and then lona omunye uZwane ku-loan laphana what is this team, Isolele FC, but-ke naye uyastruggle for i-game time. Akusiwo uyayi-one ostruggle for i-game time laphana, even no-Happy Mashani. Happy Mashani is not even making the match day squad, kunzima kakhulu. So kuzoba difficult for abadlali ukuthi babuyele laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs if bayahluleka ukuthola i-game time kusuwelele. I mean, mawubheka i-Kaizer Chiefs inamathalente, yazi ku-DDC team, but ukuthi abafana lawo ma-opportunities, I think badinga i-lead eli-strong bafethu sizokwazi uku-integrate abafana from kuma-youth development or ku-DDC team naku-senior side, bakwazi ukuspot i-talent, bangaba-overlook abafana. I mean, investing kulaba bafana laba kuthatha isikhathi u-investe, but-ke nje une-plan, une-project, une-long term, hhayi izinto zaboma-quick fix. Cause I mean, you look at laba abadala abadlalayo, but-ke they're not giving that much. And uMdaka wahamba ngendlela engekho right because of wayengafuni ukuba u-ball boy. Ezinye izinto zingasolviwa, but u-Kaizer Chiefs bane-arrogance ku-management nakhona ukuthi hayi thina siyi-Kaizer Chiefs so ngake sincenge. Kanti sometimes build your own system and then kube ne-common ground ne-understanding nama-players. Hhayi ukuthi ngoba niyi-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke nincenge abantu, no ways. Bakhona abafana abanethalente, but uZwane kumele a-improve i-work rate yakhe bafowethu. Work rate, I think the most important thing akumele a-improve i-work rate. Siyazi ukuthi uyalazi ibhola, but in terms of like contributing to the game kula, I think it's very questionable uma umbukela edlala. But isithemba ukuthi njengoba beyilaphana kusuwelele uzoba motivated ukuthi aphushe ngempela ukuthi ngelinye ilanga akwazi ukubuyela ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of mababheka ba-analyze bazothi ingabe udlala amagame angakanani laphana kusuwelele, ucontribute kangakanani, then they will take it from there ukuthi uyadeserve ukubuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma akadeserve ukubuya based on i-performance yakhe laphana kusuwelele namagame awadlalile. If akadlalanga amagame enough, then that's the nkinga of the problem. Angazi nabafethu nimbona abuya uZwane ku-Kaizer Chiefs acontribute ngempela or indaba yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs iphilile, but iminyaka isasesesayidini lakhe, simfisela inhlanhla laphana kusuwelele. Then the man of the moment bafethu, man of the moment uSilva madoda. Hayi alishaya inethi umfethu, bekunama-doubts amaningi mefika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kubonakala ngathi ayikho indaba yakhe. Ngiyakhumbula i-pressure beka-under yona laphana ku-pre-season. Cabanga ku-pre-season already he was under pressure, but-ke ukwazile ukuziredeem, ukwazile uku-reactor, ukwazile ukubonisa abantu ukuthi ukhona then uzodeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of amagoli because ubizelwe ukushaya amagoli and wenza kahle kakhulu umsebenzi wakhe wokushaya amagoli. So I think abantu banga-complain-a ngezinye izinto but they cannot complain ngamagoli. Uyawadeliver amagoli uSilva, uyawashaya amagoli for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Mawubheka ama-stats wakhe namanye amagame amaningi akawadlalanga. Lo muntu lo uthola 10 minutes, last 10 minutes of the game, but angena akwazi ukulishaya igoli. So umuntu obaluleke kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of amagoli. I-team idinga amagoli, ayidingi ukuthi umuntu abe fancy, quick feet, abe ne-flair. No, at the end of the day udinga amagoli bafowethu. Without amagoli i-team ayikwazi ukuwina, without amagoli i-team useless. But-ke with amagoli iyakwazi ukuphefumula kangcono nama-fans ajabule because at the end of the day kufuneka iwin. Ukuthi uyithole kanjani iwin, the most important thing would be noma ngithi iwin. But-ke Silva sobona, I think mina ngayisho lento ekuqaleni ukuthi uSilva udinga at least 10 goals a season kuba i-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially ku-first season. Already senamagoli awu-4. I mean usele ngamagoli awulokhunjana awu-6 nje kuphela ukuthi abe nesizini engcono compared to abanye abantu. I mean ku-Kaizer Chiefs they've been looking for a strike esidedle sokwazi ukuhlala lapha nebhokisini sibashayela amagoli. So far Flavio Silva uyakwazi ngempela ukubashayela amagoli. Yini into abazoyidinga ngempela? Akukho okunye abakudingayo. Danko Silva. Asikhulumeni ngale ndaba leyo futhi yama 20,000 ukuthi abantu abawina ama 20,000 laphana ku-PSL ukuthi ife kangakanani because isikhathi esiningi nayi imessage la kabafo la uMike uthi-ke uthi someone asked me a very important question ukuthi why amantombazane noma ngithi ladies njalo abawina le 20,000 ye-Betway kuma-stadium. Uthi-ke for yena as umuntu ocabangayo laphana deep yabo, i-answer yakhe ukuthi efike laphana engqondweni ukuthi umuntu owenza ama-giveaways o-sport abantu or o-decide ukuthi kuwina bani umuntu oyindoda. So kunzima kakhulu ukuthi indoda inike enye indoda imali, but-ke kulula ukuthi indoda inike umuntu wesimame imali for many reasons. Some of them uthi le ithi ngingayifuni ngiyibambe la, but yeah lento le complicated ngempela bafethu. Besicabanga ukuthi kuzoba ne-fairness, but-ke I mean there's nothing wrong ukuthi kuwina abosisi because siyabazi ukuthi ba-decorated bona, but to be honest abasiya ama-fanatics we-game njengamadoda. So I think if i-fairness yalento le kungathiwa okay this time kuwina ubani bani like babe ne-plan, hayi ukuthi kuwina osisi kuphela because osisi they will always outshine obhuti noma thina bafowethu in terms of ukugqoka nokuprepare nokumake sure. I mean look at this thing, well deserved, uyayideserva usisi, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. Yabona ngimbona la lo Golden Arrows uyayideserva ngempela. But-ke there was this other one I think weMarumo Gallants engambona egqoka iskipa nje seMarumo Gallants kuphela wawina i-20,000. Yaqala lapho lento le kuba questionable and kuwina obo my sister nje kuphela. What is wrong? And is it fair? Is it not fair? Cause osisi laphana e-stadium bafowethu they're not abekho baningi, igame yamadoda right, but asisho ukuthi nabo bangawini bangabi involved, but yeah asikhulumeni iqiniso yobani igame yamajita. So ayibhalanse kahle bafowethu, kube ne-bit of fairness ukuthi okay the people who have supported the game they need to be rewarded nabo. And then manje uzothola abantu abangaya e-stadium at all abaza ama-fashion abakwazi ukudesigner. Umuntu ahamba ayodesigner lento yakhe mhlampe ngo-1,000 or uyakwazi ukuhlanganisela izinto athungele enzeni ubuya nayo 20,000. So complicated for me, it's very complicated, but it's part of i-Betway ukuthi i-promote i-league, i-push i-league and then izama ukuthi ama-fans as stadium. So I cannot really comment much about it, but I can add to 2 cent wami ukuthi abeze nendlela bafethu engcono yoku-awada lezi zinto lezi ukuthi okay babalance between genders. Angisho bahlezi bakhuluma nge-gender equality. Abo my sister bancane e-stadium, they're not even making let's say 10, maybe 10%, 12% futhi iningi kakhulu bafethu. Ba less than 10% kubantu ababukela ibhola. And then why ingafavor abantu abaningi big margin yabantu ababukela ibhola? Why ingafavor bona? And then abo my sister bayazi ukuthi for example if like amagame ayi-300 and something, they would give women, I think, let's say ayi-100 lama-20,000, and then amanye ayi-200 alwela ayemajiteni, or kube yi-50-50 ka, kube yi-50-50 once. Hhayi ukuthi ngibone my sister kuphela bafethu abawina le mali le kuphela. Maybe amajita akhona but awungakhi compared to osisi, because osisi they go to the stadium ba-well prepared. But-ke so thina i-Betway imali yabo angeke phela siba-oppose ngemali yabo, benza lokhu bona abafuna ukukwenza ngemali yabo. They decide ukuthi banika bani, decide ukuthi abaniki bani ama-winnings. Ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafowethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko bafowethu.